Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today we're diving into the features and specifications of the COMFE 1.6 Cu.ft portable washing machine and the portable mini washer. We'll look at their capacities, prices, and unique features to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The COMFEE's washing machine offers a capacity of 1.6 cubic feet, allowing you to wash larger loads of laundry, which is ideal for families or those with more laundry needs. In contrast, the portable mini washer has a capacity of 15 liters, making it suitable for smaller loads, perfect for individuals or small households. This difference in capacity is a crucial factor to consider based on your laundry volume. When it comes to pricing, the COMFEE's washing machine is priced at $329, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. On the other hand, the portable mini washer is significantly more affordable at just $59, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. However, this lower price comes with trade-offs in terms of capacity and features. The COMFEE's washing machine boasts multiple wash programs, including normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin only, making it versatile for different laundry needs. It also features a child lock and a delay start option. In contrast, the portable mini washer features a foldable design, making it easy to store and transport, but lacks the variety of wash programs found in the COMFEE's. This makes the COMFEE's a better choice for those looking for a more feature-rich appliance. In conclusion, the choice between the COMFEE's and the portable mini washer ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you require a larger capacity and more features, the COMFEE is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a compact and affordable option for small loads, the portable mini washer is a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.